This is actually really scary. Look at that. There's so many water towers here, but find this one. Across from it is RetroMania. That's Brett's new nickname. RetroMania.
Because I'm an 80s baby. 80s baby.
RetroMania. Our first Branson tourist trap. This is amazing. It's all themed, 80s themed. Terminator, Yoda. I see. That guy looks like he's staring right at me. Lethal Weapon. Mel Gibson. It's pretty scary. Oh my god, look at those, the gremlins. My mama always said, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. What do you think?
It's weird. I know a lot of people who would love this.
I have loved it. Oh, I love pinball machines. And guess what? They're all free. Shirley Long, Pippi Longstocking. These are the free games. Ooh, Rampage. Oh my god, Rolling Thunder. This was so hard on NES. Ninja Turtles. Look at that Ninja Turtle up there. And of course The Simpsons. That's a hard game too. There they are. Bart, Lisa, Marge, Homer. Hey, what's the baby? What's the baby's? Maggie. I couldn't remember it. Oh my god, we made a Bernie's. And of course it's playing on up there. Cabbage Patch Doll. Fast Times at Richmond High. Predator. Look at that. Keanu. Time still for everything. Tron. Weird Science. Purple Rain. What's that from? The Goonies? The payphone from the Goonies?
No, I think it's just a phone.
Okay. Ooh, look at all these. Alf. Atari. Elmo. Pee Wee Herman. Footloose, filmed in Provo, Utah. Oh look, it's Brett in the morning. Retro rocker. Oh, it's mini golf. We got mini golf. Now you got a free haunted house up here. Oh, what's this? Push the button to see your future. Oh my gosh. Scared. That was not. That is scary. I did not like that. Ugh. Still moving. That's really good. That is spooky. Oh, here we go. This is what we're talking about. Mortal Kombat 2. Look at all these games. These are all free, guys. Golden Tee. buddy. New kids on the block. Slasher's Haunted House. Oh, we got Nightmare on Elm Street, Halloween, Child's Play, Night of the Living Dead, Poltergeist, The Shining, Friday the 13th, Killer Clowns, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Exorcist, Trick or Treat. Who's that? Crocodile Dundee. What do we got over here? Ripley. Mini haunted house. You scared me. Trick or treat. You gotta find everybody. Who's this guy?
Are they characters?
Ooh, look up there.
I'm done. That's it.
This is actually really scary.
Okay, you... I didn't know what you were looking at.
I got scared from. Oh no. Oh, gremlins.
No! What?
What? What happened?
I thought he moved. Is that a real person? No.
Freddy. Look, Freddy. I wish my mom was there.
This is too much. That hurt. That hurt me.
Okay.
Go.
You keep going. Wait. Gotta get Freddy. Ah! Oh!
Was that in your leg?
What is that? Wrong.
Oh my god, I'm not going first. Go.
No, I'm not doing that. I went first in the last one. Apples, apples. Oh my gosh. This is really scary, actually. Look at these. Oh, this is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Ah! This is really scary.
Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
My neck hurts because I'm like so tense.
Oh.
What are those things?
Terrifying.
Killer clowns from outer space. Look at that. Look at this. Look at all that wiring.
I don't trust this.
Like, this is already worth the $18 admission. Don't plug your ears.
Stop it!
What is that? What was that? I want to see it, but I'm scared. Look at his eye. There it is. No, it doesn't light up. Michael Myers. Oh my gosh. Even the eyes. Leatherface. Oh my gosh, look at that. Chainsaw. And this thing. I'm missing. That was very scary. So this is cool. This is a black light mini golf. Also comes with the admission. It's all themed to rock. So that's Kiss. This one's Guns N' Roses, of course. Brett is a band member of Guns N' Roses. I got a hole in one.
That was not. You hit twice.
No, I got a hole in one.
Peter.
Pick it up. There's Brett on Freddy Mercury. Oh. Look at that, Freddy. Is that Freddy? Hey, Freddy. Bohemian Rhapsody. Bad. Who's bad? Too bad, too bad, too bad. It looks good. Come on. Thriller. Quiz, pop quiz for you guys. Thriller was not originally Thriller. It was a demo named what? Do you know?
What?
What was Thriller's original name? It was a demo. Actually, it was different lyrics and everything. Same sound.
I know this. I can't remember though.
Think about night. Sky.
Midnight Sky.
Star.
Full moon.
Starlight. Starlight. There you go. Chevy Chase. Sugar's full. Oh look, they have free movies. The Goonies. Pretty neat. I have. Look at this. Retro Cafe. This is neat. Okay, Retro Museum Branson, our first little tourist trap adventure. This is really cool, actually.
Yeah.
Worth the 18 bucks.
Yeah, if you're like coming out for a night,
It's fun.
yeah. Do the haunted house.
That is scary. Scary Barry. He kept saying, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? I was born in the 80s too.
Barely.
Holy.
Barely.
Oh, we didn't get to see Magwai. You know what? I think we missed a room. I think we missed a room.